Wait till you taste this paneer butter masala, which has soft pieces of paneer smothered in a creamy, flavorful gravy. Hi, and you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. And if you enjoy trying out recipes that turn out right every time and haven't subscribed already, go ahead, press that subscribe button. And while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. To a heated deep pan, we're going to add about 5 tablespoons of oil. And into that, we're going to toss 2 green cardamoms, 1 cup, which is approximately half a red onion. And with our heat on medium, we're going to saute the onions till they turn translucent. And now into that, we're going to toss 12 to 14 cashew nuts. And I'm going in with 14. Just going to give that a little saute. Before we add in 1.5 cup of diced tomatoes, which is approximately 3 tomatoes. And now we're going to continue sauteing this till the tomatoes turn soft. Okay, now the tomatoes are looking nice and soft, and the cashew nuts have also got a chance to soften. So we're going to take it out into a bowl and allow it to cool before we grind it into a paste. And now into the same pan, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Just make sure that the butter does not burn. If you wanted, you could even use salted butter and then adjust the salt while you're cooking. Okay, now that the butter has melted, we're going to add in 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, a 1-inch stick of cinnamon. And we're going to saute this just for a little bit. Just looking for the dry spices to release their flavor. And once the butter has turned aromatic, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and 3 teaspoons of garlic paste. And we're going to saute this till the ginger and garlic lose their raw flavor. Now the ginger and garlic are looking golden and have lost their raw flavor. So we're going to switch off the heat. And we're going to go and blend up the paste, which should have cooled by now. Okay, let's empty that into the jar. And now we're going to blend this to a smooth paste. And this is the type of sauce that you're looking for. Silky smooth. Now let's keep this aside and cut up our paneer. I'm going in with a 375 grams block of paneer, but you could use more or less, whatever you liked. And we're just going to cut this up into cubes. Okay, come, let's go and bring our paneer butter masala together. I've heated the pan once again, and I'm going to pour in the tomato sauce. And to that, we're going to add half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. And this gives it a lovely color plus flavor. And now we're going to add half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 slit green chilies, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And you could always add sugar and salt to taste. And let's just give this a mix and blend everything together. And now we're going to add 1.5 cups of water and give it another mix. Okay, that's looking good. Now we're going to cover it up and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes so that all the flavors get a chance to blend together. You'll find that the gravy has thickened after about 10 minutes. And now it's time for us to add in 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves. And what we're going to do here is take it in the palm of our hands and crush it so that it releases the oils. And then add it in. And now let's add about 4 tablespoons of cream. We're going to give that a quick mix. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen right now is amazing. Can you see how silky smooth this gravy is? And now we're gently going to add in the paneer pieces. And once you add in the paneer pieces, don't put a spoon into it. Just swirl the pan around and coat the paneer with the gravy. And now we're going to cover it up and allow it to cook on a medium-low heat for another 5 to 10 minutes while giving it a swirl once or twice between that time. This is going to give the paneer a chance to absorb all the flavors of the gravy. Our paneer butter masala is ready. So now we're going to take it off the heat. And now that we've served up our paneer butter masala, let's finish it off with a drizzle of fresh cream and sprinkle on some finely chopped fresh coriander. And I like to enjoy paneer butter masala with some garlic butter naans. Look at that. And now it's time to give our Paneer Butter Masala a taste. Wow, I'm so excited. This gravy is so silky smooth. Wow. And it's best enjoyed with naans. Wow, the paneer is so soft. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. The paneer is so soft, it just melts in your mouth. And the flavor of the gravy is spot on. You're going to want to give this recipe a try. So hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, where you will find the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.